6 ways to spell the
J,
sound.
J,
J.
J,
Never used to spell
J,
at the end of the word.
Job, jet, jug, jam, jacket, juice, jeans.
Ge.
J,
Soft,
J,
before an E, used at the beginning of the word, and both in the middle and at the end of the word after a long vowel or a consonant.
Gem, gentle, germ, pigeon, angel, vegetable, huge, page, large, orange.
Gi.
J,
Soft,
J,
before an I.
Giant, giraffe, magic, rigid, ginger, agile, margin, biologist.
Gy.
J,
Soft,
J,
before a Y.
Gym, gymnastic, Egypt, spongy, stingy, technology.
Dge.
J,
Used only after a single, short vowel.
Badge, bridge, fudge, dodge, ledge, lodge, judge.
Du.
J,
Gradual, education, schedule, procedure, graduation, individual.